Coming to the next question. A 50-year-old patient with a history of chronic alcoholism require multiple extraction. Which of following he would be prone to? The answer is increase PTT. Now, a 50-year-old patient with a history of chronic alcoholism is more prone to have increased PTT due to the liver dysfunction. Chronic alcoholism can lead to liver damage, such as alcoholic hepatitis, cirrhosis, or liver failure could be seen. The liver it play important role in production of various clotting factors that are necessary for normal blood coagulation. So when liver is damaged, its ability to produce these clotting factor is impaired. PTT stand for, remember, PTT stand for partial thromboplastin time. It measure the time it takes for blood to form clot via the intrinsic and common pathway. So in patient with the liver dysfunction, there is deficiency of the clotting factor, that are factor 8, 9 and 11, that can lead to increased PTT, indicating higher risk of bleeding. So while chronic alcoholism can be associated with pancreatic damage and diabetes, it is not a direct more result in this context. A decrease in PTT would indicate faster clotting, which is unlikely to occur in patient with liver disease due to the chronic alcoholism. Decrease INR. INR stands for International Normalized Ratio, that reflects the extrinsic pathway of coagulation. Liver dysfunction often leads to increased INR, not a decreased one. So the answer here is increased PTT. Coming to the next question.